Alrighty, so we should be finishing off the Algebra 2 Unit 2 test review here, working on problems 20 through 23. We're working with the absolute value function. First two, 20 and 21, we're going to graph and describe the transformation. Although I'm going to do it the other way around, I'm going to do the transformation first to help me with the graph. If you may remember, generically, we had this function, or generic function, which helped us with the transformations. Quick run through. Normally, the part in front of the absolute value is positive because it should be opening up. Remember, these look like a V. If it happens to have a minus out front, those are the ones that open down or reflect in the x-axis, if we're going to use proper mathematical terms. The m, the number out in front, control the slope of the lines. The h and the k, we're the vertex. We have to be careful. Remember, with that minus sign, that flips everything around. So a minus there, you got to keep an eye on stuff. And the h did the left and right stuff. Whereas the k does the translations up and down. So let's take a look at what we got in our equation for number 20. Absolutely nothing out front, so that means it's still opening up, no change there. Plus 1 inside. Positive 1 normally goes to the right. Remember, because of the minus in the formula, that means we're going to go the opposite direction, so we're going to go to the left 1. Minus 3 afterwards means we're getting shifted down 3. So as far as it goes for our vertex, we're going to go to the left 1 on the x-axis. We're going to go down 3 on the y-axis. And that's where our vertex is going to be. Once again, nothing out front, so our slope is 1. So we go up 1, right 1 on the right side, up 1, left 1 on the left side. Sketching our graph, and there we go. Let's take a look again. Let's start that minus out front. That indicates in this case this one's going to open down. Once again, we're going to do the proper mathematical terms. We're going to reflect in the x-axis. Minus 3, remember, going opposite, so minus would normally be to the left, but the minus 3 means we're going to go to the right 3, plus 4 means we're going to go up 4. So if you look at our x and y axis, we're going to the right 3 and up 4. There's our vertex. Nothing special on the slope other than we know we're going down. So down 1, right 1, down 1, left 1 on the left side. extra dots. There you go. For 22 and 23, we're going to write the equation out. So real quick, let's fill that in again. Plus or minus the m, x minus the h, and plus k. So let's take a look at 21. All right, so we're translating, going to the left 5. So that means inside the absolute value. Remember, opposite sign. So left would normally be a minus. Since we got to do the opposite sign, we're going to do a plus. Up 2 is the k part. So we got the plus 2 afterwards. Nothing about reflecting down or changing the slope, so that one is complete. Let's look at 23. Right off the bat, it says it opens down. That means we're going to want the minus sign. This one's getting translated to the right 6. So that's normally a plus 6, but because of the minus inside the absolute value, switch that around, so it's going to be a minus 6. And this has nothing else, so we are complete. So that takes care of the test review for Unit 2. Good luck on the test.